Today on Chloe's Inbox, Dear DJ Chloe, I am a single mom. May tatlo po akong anak, hiwalay sa asawa for almost 10 years na po mahigit. And I now have a new partner, 4 na taon na po kami. All along, gusto po niya ipakilala ko siya sa ex-husband ko, but I can't due to a lot of complicated matters. And for me po kasi, ang mahalaga naman is yung kami as present couple that is in a relationship pero hindi niya po magawang intindihin yon. For context lang po, we are in a same-sex relationship. For her, ang hindi ko pagpapakilala sa kanya sa ex-husband ko is because hindi ko daw po siya mahal or totoong minamahal. DJ Chloe, masakit lang po kasi may ex-husband din naman siya at isang anak pero hindi po big deal sa akin kung ipakilala man niya ako sa ex-husband niya or hindi. What matters to me is yung kung anong meron sa aming dalawa. DJ Chloe, dapat pa po bang ipakilala pa ang present partner ko sa matagal ko ng ex-husband? For me po kasi pakiramdam ko hindi niya tanggap ang past ko at nababalot siya ng insecurity sa past na meron ako. Letter sender, Mira. Hi Mira. Well, una sa lahat, maraming salamat sa tiwala. Salamat sa pagbabahagi ng isang napaka-personal at napaka-totoong sitwasyon. Ang mga ganitong kwento ay hindi madalas pinag-uusapan pero napakahalaga. Lalo na ngayon na maraming nagnanavigate ng modern relationships, blended families at second chances. You are a single mom of 3. Hiwalay sa asawa for more than 10 years. You've been in a same-sex relationship for 4 years now and habang pinipili mong mahalin ulit, you also carry the weight of your past, your responsibilities, and the dynamics of your situation. Now, the truth is, straight from the heart, hindi mo kailangang i-validate ang pagmamahal mo sa partner mo sa pamamagitan ng pagpapakilala sa ex-husband mo. Bakit? Okay, because your past does not need the approval of your present to be valid. Yun lang yun. And your present relationship does not need to revolve around your past just to prove it's real. You've already built something real 4 years together. Hindi yan fling. Or should I say, hindi na yan fling. That's not a phase, that's commitment. And that's love in action. But it's also okay to admit that things get complicated when your current partner feels unseen or unsure. Her feelings are valid din naman, just as yours are. Kapag mahal natin ang isang tao, ay gusto natin ng assurance, gusto nating malaman kung saan tayo nakalugar, di ba? But assurance doesn't always look like public declarations or introductions to exes. Okay? Hindi kailangan i-post mo ng bonggang-bongga, i-hard launch mo, ipakilala mo pati sa ex mo or whoever. Assurance is consistency. Assurance is choosing someone every day, even in private. Assurance is it's staying even when things are not Instagram perfect, so to speak. Let's also talk about this. When your partner tells you don't love me because you won't introduce me to your ex, parang napaka-immature, di ba? That's not love talking. That's insecurity talking. Sobrang insecurity yung nakikita ko dito. And we all have it. Even the strongest of us, meron tayong mga insecurities. Pero ang tunay na pag-ibig, Mira dear, okay, hindi dapat nakaangkla sa pressure. Hindi dapat ultimatum. Hindi dapat if you love me, kailangan mapatunayan mo yan this way. Ang totoong tanong dito ay hindi kung dapat mo ba siyang ipakilala kung kaninong Poncio Pilato or dyan sa ex mo, kundi kung nauunawaan ba ng partner mo ang kabuuan ng pinagdadaanan mo. Dahil kung alam niya ang bigat ng pinasan mo bilang isang ina, bilang isang babae at bilang isang taong nagsisimula ulit, ang dapat niya gawin ay sabayan ka, 'di ba? Hindi ang pilitin kang bumalik sa mga lugar na pinili mo ng kalimutan. Now, if you want to introduce her someday out of comfort and peace and not obligation, okay din naman yun. Wala din namang problema dun. But it should come from your own desire, not from fear of losing her. At hindi galing sa pressure sa kanya na kailangan ipakilala mo siya. Okay? Please remember this. You are not your past. You're not obligated to explain your history to anyone, especially not under pressure. And no one should force you to prove your love by digging through old wounds just to, make the present feel more secure. So ano kailangan nating gawin? My dear, communicate with her deeply, okay? Sabihin mong hindi mo siya tinatago, kundi pinoprotektahan mo lang ang peace na nabuo mo. Let her know na ang hindi mo pagpapakilala sa ex mo doesn't mean that she's not important, okay? It just means that you're careful about protecting the emotional safety of everyone involved, especially your children. Tanungin mo rin siya, bakit pa ito mahalaga sa kanya? Baka meron siyang pinanggagalingang kwento o trauma na hindi mo pa naririnig. Listen with an open heart. And then set boundaries with love. Hindi kailangan pagpilitan ng mga bagay na hindi ka pa readyng gawin. And someone who truly loves you will not ask you to bend yourself just to fit their version of security. Okay? Ang pagmamahal ay hindi competition sa nakaraan. Kung may natutunan ka na mula sa dati mong relasyon, yan ang regalo ng past mo sa'yo. Pero ang mission mo ngayon ay hindi patunayan sa kahit kanino na totoo ang relasyon mo, kundi buuin ito ng may respeto, tiwala, at tunay na pag-unawa. Okay? You've already done the hardest parts, naging ina, lumaban, bumangon, at nagmahal muli at minahal muli. You don't owe anyone a performance of your love story, but you do owe yourself peace. Thank you so much, Mira, for your letter.
Hey, thanks for watching! For more exclusive videos and
artist interviews, you can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us
on our social media accounts too.
Links are